go. There you go. And now let's spin it around. Look at that.
Hi, Grace. Hi, Emily. Would you like to come over and play games with me?
Hi, Billy. Yeah, sure. We're on our way. Billy just called us to go and play games. Let's go. Come on.
Games, toys, yay!
Hi, Billy.
Hi, girls. Nice to see you. Come in.
Oh, no. Oh, what's all this? Oh,
Emily!
don't touch that, sweetheart. That's garbage on the floor. It's dirty.
Sorry about that. Don't worry. Just wait a bit and it will all disappear.
What do you mean disappear? You have to clean up. Look at the mess.
Oh, look at this yumminess. Would you girls like some candy? Yeah, I want some candy.
I know, sweetie, but first we have to clean up.
Clean up? What does that mean?
There's so many ways to clean up. First, we pick up the garbage and throw it in the bin, just like that.
Wait, really? That's it? Yes, Billy. Clean as you go. Okay, let's have a cleanup party. We first pick up the garbage and throw it in the bin. Oh, that was easy.
Clean up, everybody, let's clean up.
Clean up, put your things away.
The first step is done.
What are we gonna do next?
Next, we're going to vacuum the house.
But where's the vacuum cleaner?
Let's find it together. Look!
That's a vacuum cleaner? I thought it was a toy.
But first, we need to put it together. This goes right here, and this part goes right there. And we're ready to vacuum.
Whoa, what a cool toy! Billy, that's a vacuum cleaner.
All right, everybody, it's vacuum time. Let's turn it on. We're all done with the cleanup.
Hooray! The house is super duper clean. Whoa! Is this really my home? Really?
Yes, it is, Billy. All cleaned up. By the way, we have something for you.
Wow! What's that? It's a robot vacuum cleaner.
So that your house will be clean all the time.
Whoa! That is so cool! I could watch it all day! Look at it go!
For a job well done, you all get some candy. Here you go, everybody.
Yum, 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 yum! I love candy! Yum, 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 yum!
It's always good to clean up after yourself. What about you? Do you enjoy cleaning? Well, for more videos like this, like this video and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you next time. Goodbye. Yummy. Hi there. My name is Grace and this is Emily. But she's crying today. What's the matter? Here, take the pyramid. Emily, look at this cute sheep. It's coming to play with you. Go over to Emily. Here it comes. With her favorite little ship. What should we do? Wait, I have an idea. Her musical sphere. We can play her favorite songs. Let's give it a try. Now this one. Now this one. Oh, we miss, and we all fall down. Merrily, life is not a dream. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Emily, here! Where did she go? Oh no! Emily! Oh no! Emily's missing! Will you help me find her? Where did she go? Let's find her together! Come on! Emily! Where are you? Emily! Oh, maybe she's behind the pillows. Here. Is she here? Where could she be? Over here? Where did she go? There are only 2 pillows left. Let's give it a go. And the last one? Here we go. Ta-da! Gotcha, Emily! Gotcha! Don't cry, Emily. Wait, we can build you a house using all these pillows. What do you say?
A pillow house? Hooray!
Let's build a pillow house together. Come on.
Here we go. Pillow house. Here comes another one.
Our house is ready. Look around. Emily, do you like it?
No, it doesn't have a roof.
That's right. We don't have a roof. Uh-huh. How about this?
No, I don't like it.
Oh, what should we do? Wait, follow me. Let's try using some chairs. First things first, let's move the pillows. There we go. That's right. Now let's get the chairs and put them here, side by side. Let's add a few pillows. And on the other side, Emily, come on, give me a hand.
Right there.
Let's add a fluffy pillow right here. Emily, come on, have a sit. How's that? Is it comfortable?
Yeah, it's really soft and fluffy. And what about the roof?
A roof made of pillows is not stable. It will fall down.
Uh-oh.
But I really want a roof.
Well, we can try making one using a blanket. Let's do one side. And another. Whoa, look at that.
Wow, look at my house! A house!
Well, do you like your new house, Emily?
Yeah, I do! I want to live here forever!
That's awesome, Emily. Okay, make room for me. Coming through. Oh, let me try. Oh, there we go. Wow, this house is so warm and cozy. I could sleep here all day.
Me too! I'm sleepy.
Okay, Emily, let me read you a bedtime story about a pillow house. It's a story about a little owl. Once there lived a little owl. He wanted to build a house for himself and his friends. He went to his friend the alligator and said, "Hey, would you like to come and build a house with me?" And the alligator said, "Yes, of course." And then he went to the zebra, but he was sad.
Why was he sad?
Maybe because he didn't have friends to play with.
He can play with the owl and the alligator.
That's right, Emily. Now let's see what happened next. Oh, look right there. There's a giraffe. Whoa, look at his long neck. And now, he always inviting the elephant to come build a house with him. Oh, Emily, have a look. She's already asleep. Well, for more videos like this, subscribe to this channel and like this video. Do you like building pillow and blanket houses? Well, I'll see you next time. Goodbye.